as you can see in Paris, there's really tiny spaces like this hallway in the hotel. Yes, Pa. Papa is sleeping and I'm having my room tour right now. So this is the first story of this room. So there is one single bed, there is a desk, and this is the toilet. There is a bathtub. And we have arranged our toiletries, but unfortunately there is no toothbrush, there is no slippers, because this is just a 3-star hotel. So keep that in mind. This is the stairway toilet. Welcome to the second floor. Well, second floor. And by the way, we have a roommate here. Her name is Aubrey. This story has one double bed and another one single bed. Single. Yes, you know, she's single but not ready. Not ready. Not ready to mingle. We have our clothes hanging here. There's a rack. I think this is pretty cool for the amount that we paid. We actually paid around 536 SGD, Singaporean dollars, for a 2-night stay here. So yeah, that's it. This is just a short room tour, so see you guys outside the hotel and let me tour you to Paris. Buyers!
Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? I'll just breathe in. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? I'll just breathe in. Flashing red lights, driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive. Nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight. Oh yeah, we'll make it tonight. Yeah. I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore, so just don't be ignored. Go ask for more, go ask for more. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? I'll just breathe in. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side.
Hey, we're here.
Yes, not nice.
So you have the boarding pass?
You want me to-
For the menu, you can scan here the QR code. You have a starter, menu first, cheese, and resources. Oh, I
Hi, we're going on a dinner cruise. So here's our boarding pass. We're boarding now and we're excited to eat.
Bonjour mesdames, messieurs, s'il vous plaît, merci.
Does it come with wine?
Yes.
Cheers na! Dito pag nag-cheers ka, kailangan nakatingin ka sa mata.
Making that.
Sexy kung kumain ka na talaga.
Patry nga. Ano ba yung
Sarado yung
bibig?
Kaya ako, pag humigop akong
Ngata.
sauce o sabaw, may tunog eh. Nagugulat ko. Dito Joel mo.
Drunk. It's a nice experience, by the way, but honestly, I didn't see much of view. So, on to our next destination, which is back to Eiffel Tower. Bye.
What'd you...
No? Thank you so much. You is the most abundant.